Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky in her kitchen will show you how to prepare yellow pulao rice, which is an aromatic Indian spiced rice. Wow, the rice grains look so fluffy, aromatic and bright yellow colored, and children absolutely love this yellow rice as they call it. It is flavored with whole spices and very easy to make. So let's get started with the ingredients. Preparation. Wash the rice a couple of times. When you have finished washing, drain all the water from the rice. Then soak the rice in 3 cups of water. The ratio is always 1 cup of rice to 1.5 cup of water. Method. Heat oil in the pressure cooker. Remember, the oil must not be too hot, else the spices and the ingredients will splatter and burn. Drop in the cumin seeds, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, bay leaves, cloves, black cardamom and white cardamom, and toss them about for a little while. Next, add in the ginger paste, garlic paste, green chilies and onions. Fry well until the onions turn light brown. When the onions have turned light brown, add in the biryani masala, aromatic salt, turmeric powder and green coriander and keep frying. Next, add in the ghee and the salt. And fry well. Add in the water and the rice which was soaked earlier. Remember the 2 cups of rice in 3 cups of water. This is an important point. The water must taste salty, so add salt if needed to get the salty water taste. Then add the 1/8 teaspoon of kevra water for that extra flavoring. Close the cooker without putting the stopper and cook on high flame. When you see the steam escaping, place the stopper and simmer for 10 minutes. Okay Google, set alarm for 10 minutes.
Done. Your alarm set for 4:13 p.m.
When the 10 minutes is up, okay Google, stop. Remove from the heat and set aside to cool for another 10 minutes before opening. Check that all the steam has been released. This is very important. Then open the pressure cooker and use a fork to gently fluff up the yellow pulao rice. Serve the yellow rice with egg masala, papad and pickle, or any other accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, remember to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.